Yes, good morning, children. Hope you have done exercise 2.3. Now we are starting with exercise 2.5. It also says solve the following linear equation. Means we will reduce them into the simplest form, simplify it, and find the solution. The question number 1 says x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 is equals to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. First of all, we will take variable along the one side. X upon through 3, x upon 3 along left hand side, 1 upon 5 along right hand side. X upon 2 minus x upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 4. Minus will change into plus. Variable along the same side. Now LCM is 6. 3x minus 2x. Here LCM is 5 into 4, 20. 5 plus 4. Now solve it. 3x minus 2x is x upon 6 is equals to 5 plus 4, 9 upon 20. Now x will be equals to 6 will go link this side. 9 upon 20 divide will change into multiply. 2 3 6 2 tens. So x comes out to be 27 upon 10, that is equals to 2.7. So that is our answer. So our answer is x is equals to 2.7. He has said that just simplify it. He hasn't said that you have to check the result. Only simplify. Now children, hope you have understood question number 1. Now we will move to question number 2. It says n upon 2 minus 3 upon 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6 is equals to 21. See, variable n is along same side. So we will just take the LCM along the left hand side. LCM comes out to be 12. How? LCM is equals to 12. You can just check 2, 4, 6, 12. LCM will be 12. 2, 6, 12. 6n minus 4, 3 is 12. 3 into 3, 9n plus 6, 2 is 12. 2 into 5, 10n. 21. Now add and subtract. 6 plus 10, 16n minus 9n upon 12 is equals to 21. 16 minus 9, 7n upon 12, that is equals to 21. Now it is in divide. So 7n will be equals to 21 into 12 when transposed to the other side. Now it is multiplied. It will be divided when transposed to the other side. So 7 will be in divided. Now can you cut them? Yes. 7 1 7, 7 3 is 21. So n comes out to be 12 3 is 36. So that will be our answer. Hence n is equals to 36 is our answer. Yes children, so in these two questions what we have understood, we will transpose variable along the same side and constant term along the same side and then take the LCM and then simplify. In the same way we are solving now question number 5. It says 3t minus 2 upon 4 is equals to 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 is equals to 2.3t. Now what we will do? We will be transposing minus t to the left hand side and we know minus will change into plus. Hope this is clear. Minus will change into plus 3t minus 2 over 4 minus 2t plus 3 over 3 minus t, that will change into plus, and we are left on right hand side with 2 upon 3. Here it will be 1. Now we will take LCM. LCM of 4 and 3 is equals to 12. Along the left hand side LCM will be equals to 12. 4 3 is 12. 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 3 4 is 12. 4 into 2t plus 3 plus 12 into t. Now understand here I have put them in the brackets because we have to multiply and change the sign also. Now just see the solution. 3 into 3 90 minus 3 into 2 is equals to 6, 4 2 is 80 minus 4 3 is 12 plus 12t over 12 is equals to 2 upon 3. Now we will be simplifying numerator and transposing 12 to the other side. It will be multiplied. 90 plus 80 plus 12t minus 6 minus 12 and 2 upon 3 into 12. Now just solve this. 90 plus 80 plus 12t. 12 at 20, 20 plus 9, 20 90. Yes children, just see, here I have put the wrong sign. Here 4 into 2 8, here it will be minus. Here it will be minus sign. Other thing I think are correct. Now 9 minus 8 is 1t, 1 plus 12 13t, 13t, 12 plus 6 18 but with negative sign. 3 1s 3, 3 4s 12, 4 into 2 8. Hope this is clear. Now transposing 18 to other side. 13t is equals to 8 plus 18. 13t is equals to 8 plus 18. That will be equals to 26. So t will be equals to 26 upon 13. 13 1 13, 13 to 26. So where our answer is t is equals to 2. Okay children, so question number 5 is clear. Transpose along one side, simplify it and find the answer. In the same way we are doing question number 7 now of the same exercise. It says 3 into t minus 3 is equals to 5 into 2t plus 1. We can't transpose. First of all simply multiply. 3 into t, 3t. 3 into 3, 9 with the sign of minus. 5 into 2, 10t. 5 into 1, 5. Very good. Now transpose. 10t to other side, 3t. Minus 10t, minus 9 along the other side. 5 minus will change into plus. So 3t minus 10t. That will be equals to minus 7t. 9 plus 5 is 14. Implies t will be equals to 14 upon minus 7. Now do the simplification. 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14. 2 upon minus 1. So our answer will be equals to minus 2 because denominator cannot be negative. So our answer here for this sum is t is equals to minus 2. Yes children, after that we are solving question number 9 and question number 10 of the same exercise. Here just see. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11, 4 into 8z minus 13 and minus 17. All are in brackets. So first of all simplify bracket. 3 into 5 15. 3 into 7 21. 2 into 9 18. Minus minus plus 11 into 2 22. Right hand side 4 into 8 32. 13 into 4 52 minus 17. Now you have just seen that these are in simplification. Now we will be transposing or rearranging term. Variables along the same side, constant term along the same side. Now variable is 15z minus 18z, 32z minus 32z, because when it will be transposed on the left hand side, sign will be changed. So we are left with minus 52 minus 17 plus 22 minus 22 minus 21 will change into plus 21. Now we need to simplify it. 15z minus 18z minus 32. Now minus minus same sign, just add them. minus 50z, minus 52, minus 17, minus 22, minus 21, minus 52, minus 17, minus 22 plus 21, minus 1. Now 15z minus 50z, that will be equals to minus 35z. 52 plus 17 plus 1, that will be equals to 17, but with the minus sign. So here comes z will be equals to, multiply will change into divide along with this sign. Minus with minus cancel, z 35 ones, 35 twos. So z comes out to be 2 upon 1. So z is equals to 2. That will be our answer. Hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, now children, we have come across the last question. Again, the question is same. Constant term brackets, constant term bracket. We will first of all simplify the brackets like this. 0.25 into 4i, because here is decimal involved, so I will be solving and showing you how to do it. 0.25 into 3 equals to 0.05 into 10f minus 0.05 into 9. Now solve. 25 into 4, 100. But decimal after 2 places put it. So zeros cancelled. 25 3 is 75. But decimal after 2 places. You have to do the calculation so that it looks easy. Forget about the decimal. 25 into 3 is 75. Then our decimal after 2 places you can just substitute. Now 5 into 10, 50. And decimal after 2 places, so 0.5f. Minus 95, 45. Decimal after 2 places, you can just simply put them. Now solve it. 1f f minus 0.75, that is 0.5f minus 0.45. Now variable f and constant term, transposing them. F minus 0.5f is equals to minus 0.45 plus 0.75, because minus will change into plus. Now 1 minus 0.5, that will be equals to 0.5f minus 0.45 plus 0.75. Opposite sign, they will be subtracted. That will be equals to 0.30. Now 0.5 in multiplication, it will change into division. 0.30 over 0.5. Now you can remove the decimal place. 0.30 upon 100 into 5 upon 10. Now do the cutting. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So we are left with f is equals to 3 upon 5. Or by using the division method, it comes out to be 0.6. So value of f is 0.6. That is our answer. Okay children, from my side this exercise is over. But still I am solving exercise 2.5 question number 6 for you people, because many people will ask this question. It is very easy and good question. M minus 1 upon 2, 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Again, follow the same procedure. What? Transpose variable along the same side and constant term along the one side. But here, you can't transpose as it is. You have to first of all simplify it. So put the whole term along the left hand side. How? M upon 1 minus, put them in bracket, upon 2, minus will change into plus, m minus 2 upon 3 is equals to 1, right hand side. Now take the LCM. LCM will be equals to 6. 6m minus 3 into m minus 1 plus 2 into m minus 2 is equals to 1. Here 2 3 6, so multiply it by 3. 3 2 6, multiply it by 2. Now simplify it. 6m. That's why I have put the bracket. Minus sign will be changed. Minus 3m minus minus plus. plus 2m minus 4 over 6 is equals to 1. Now again simplify it. 6m minus 3m, 3m plus 2m, 3 minus 4 is minus 1 upon 6. Now transposing 6 also, 3 plus 2, 5m minus 1 is equals to 1 into 6, that is equals to 6. 5m minus 1 is equals to 6, minus 1 will be transposed. Minus will change into plus. So 5m comes out to be 7, m comes out to be 7 upon 5. That will be our answer. Or you can convert them into the decimal form, mixed form, any of the form. So m comes out to be 7 upon 5. As in the statements in the fraction form, you can write them as it is. Hope all the concepts are clear. First of all, you have to do the simplification, variable along the same side, and do the adjustment, division, multiplication or transposing as it is. Thank you children.